topic for this lesson is adding and subtracting polynomials. You'll learn how to add polynomials and subtract polynomials. Now, to add two polynomials, we could either look at it as in a horizontal fashion or a vertical. I'm going to show you the horizontal first. So we're going to group our like things together. So I've got 7y squared and 5y squared. And for the y's, I have 2y and a minus 4y. And then just for my constants, I've got negative 3 and a plus 2. So 7 plus 5 is 12y squared. Adding my like terms, I just need to add the coefficients. 2 minus 4 is negative 2y, and I could write plus negative 2, but it's simpler just to write minus 2y, and negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Okay, I'm going to do the same problem again in a vertical format. Okay, now they happen to give us the first polynomial in descending order, so I'm going to rearrange the second one so it's in descending order as well. So it would be 5y squared minus 4y, and then plus 2. Then I'm just going to add my coefficients straight down. 12y squared minus 2y minus 1. I got the same answer either way, so you can choose which one you prefer. Does not matter. Okay, once again, when we subtract, we could do it horizontally or vertically. So let's do it horizontally first again. I am going to do a step first before I subtract, and we know that subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. So I'm just going to change that second polynomial instead of minus to plus, and now everything inside the parentheses is going to be negative. So it's going to be negative 9y to the fourth. Instead of minus, it's going to be plus 7y. Instead of plus, it's going to be minus 2y squared. And now I can go and rearrange and put my likes together. I'm going to go in descending order because I like it. So we have 8y to the fourth minus 9y to the fourth. And then I have squareds. So plus 6y squared minus 2y squared. And then finally we have just y's. So negative 5y and plus 7y. So then I can just add my coefficients. So 8 minus 9 is negative 1, which we don't normally write the 1 because 1 times anything is itself. Plus 6 minus 2 is 4 y squared, and negative 5 plus 7 is 2y. And that's my answer. And that is a horizontal method of doing the problem. Let's look at it vertically. So I went ahead and rearranged my first polynomial in descending order, biggest exponent first. And then I'm going to go minus. I'm just copying down my second polynomial in descending order, so it would be 9y to the fourth plus 2y squared minus 7y. So then when we subtract, 8 minus 9 is negative 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. And negative 5 minus negative 7 minus a negative, remember, is the same as a plus. And I got the same answer both times. You could also do like we did in the horizontal format and change the second polynomial to plus the opposite. And what do you know? Now we're going to get the same answer all 3 times. Do you need to do one problem 3 times? No. I'm giving you 3 different methods you could use for the same problem. Making a little geometry connection here. They say the measure of the perimeter of the triangle, so all the way around the triangle, is 37s plus 42. Find the polynomial that represents the third side of the triangle. Okay, I'm going to label the sides of the triangle A, B, and C. So we know that perimeter is distance all the way around, so perimeter is going to equal A plus B plus C. Well, I know the perimeter, so we have 37s plus 42 equals, okay, A I don't know, but I know B and C. So plus 10s plus 20 plus 14s plus 16. Okay, I made this look like an algebraic equation. It looks really long, but it's really not bad. I'm just going to copy down the left side as it is for a second. And on the right side, I'm going to combine my like terms. So I've got a 14s and a 10s. I said that backwards, but there they are. And I want it to be in white, is 24s. And then I've got a 20, and that was supposed to be a 16. So plus 36. So then to get A by itself, which is what I want to find, I need to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 24s from both sides. And I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides, just using those inverse operations, undoing what was done. So 37 minus 24 gives us 13. And 42 minus 36 is 6. And that is the length of my missing side. And then they ask us to find the length of the third side if s equals 3. Nice little review of substituting in. So it would just be 13 times 3 plus 6. So 39 plus 6 is 45. And they didn't give us units. Bah. Did they? No. Bah. We're going to call it meters because I wanted to have units. We're going to say s is 3 meters. Ha ha, fix the books problem. To add polynomials, group like terms horizontally or write them in column form, aligning the like terms vertically. To subtract a polynomial, we could find its additive inverse. To find the additive inverse of a polynomial, we replace each term with its additive inverse.